We're gonna learn Riptide by Vance Joy with and without a capo, both in the original key. If you don't have a capo, skip to here. We're gonna put our capo on fret 1, and we only need 3 chords for this song. The 3 chords you're gonna need are A minor, G, and C. That's it, that's the whole song. So to do A minor, you're gonna start with your first finger on fret 1 on the B string. Then you're gonna put your second finger on fret 2 on the D string, so that's skipping a string. Then your third finger is gonna go on fret 2 of the G string. And you're gonna strum 5 strings for this chord. So fret 1 on the B string, fret 2 on the D string, and fret 2 on the G string, strumming 5 strings. And you have a beautiful, perfect A minor chord. Next chord you're gonna need is G, and we're gonna do the simple version of G. So all you need is fret 3 on the E string, and then you're gonna strum 3 strings. So you just put your finger on fret 3 on the E string and strum 3 strings, and you have the G chord. Just like that. The final chord you need is C, and we're gonna do the simple version of C also. You're gonna put your finger on fret 1 on the B string and strum 3 strings, and that's it. So fret 1 on the B string, and you're strumming 3 strings. Beautiful. So you now have A minor, G, and C. That's all the chords you need for Riptide. So let's put it together now. We're going to start with A minor and do 2 strums. Then we're going to do 2 strums of G, and then 4 strums of C, and we're gonna do 2 quick strums, and then 2 quick strums again. So that's gonna sound like A minor, G, C, C again. A minor, G, C, C again. So when we put that together with the words, we get, I was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and started conversation, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. If you wanna get a little spicier in the chorus, just a little bit, and lift the energy in the chorus, what we can do is switch the strumming pattern just a tiny bit. So this way, you will do 4 strums of A minor, 4 strums of G, and 8 strums of C. A minor, G, C, C. And that would sound like, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. It's a little more fun that way, right? So when you start with 2 strums and then you switch to 4 strums for the chorus, it changes the energy and makes it a little more fun. They come unstuck, lady, running down to the riptide. See, isn't that way more fun? It's way better that way. So do it if you want to, but you can also keep the same strumming pattern the whole time and nobody's gonna be mad. You're not in trouble. You sound amazing. All right, now the version without the capo. Still the original key. The chord names are gonna sound a little scary. Don't worry, they're not scary. It's gonna be easy. The first chord you need is A sharp minor. You're gonna start with your first finger on fret 6 on the G string. That's your 3rd thinnest string. Your next finger is gonna go also on fret 6 on the B string, and then your next and final finger is gonna go on fret 6 on the E string. So all on fret 6, G string fret 6, B string fret 6, E string fret 6, and you're gonna strum 3 strings, and that's A sharp minor. G string fret 6, B string fret 6, E string fret 6. I promise you can fit all 3 fingers in the same fret. Strumming 3 strings. The second chord you need is G sharp, also not scary. You're gonna start with your first finger on fret 4 on the E string. Your second finger is gonna go on fret 4 of the B string, same fret. And then your third finger is gonna go on fret 5 of the G string. And you're gonna strum 3 strings again. Fret 4 on the E string, fret 4 on the B string, fret 5 on the G string, and you're strumming 3 strings. Just the 3 strings that you're fretting. And that's G sharp. The final chord that you need for this song is C sharp. You're gonna keep your pointer finger exactly where it was for the G sharp chord. That's fret 4 on the E string. Your third finger is gonna go on fret 6 of the G string. And your fourth finger, your pinky, we're gonna use it. And your fourth finger is gonna go on fret 6 on the B string. You're gonna strum 3 strings again. So first finger goes on fret 4 on the E string. Your ring finger goes on fret 6 of the G string, and your pinky goes on fret 6 of the B string. So to put them all together, we're gonna do 2 strums of A sharp minor, 2 strums of G sharp, and then 4 strums of C sharp, and we're gonna do 2 quick strums and 2 quick strums. That's A sharp minor, G sharp, and C sharp, and then C sharp again. A sharp minor, G sharp, C sharp, C sharp. I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. And now for the chorus, we're gonna do 4 strums instead of 2. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. And you did it, you did the whole song. So now you know how to play Riptide with or without a capo. Congratulations. If you wanna learn another popular song, check out this video. Let me know what other songs you wanna learn. I'm Sadie, thanks for watching Transform Music Studio. See you next time. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I gotta love